Good morning, Lauren. I thought I'd just attach this video very quickly before you go into your management meeting, just so that you know and understand the way we operate. This triangle really describes us to a T. The problem with the cleaning industry, and maybe why you've been having cleaners who are rubbish, is that maybe you're just not paying enough. I don't know. Or if you are paying enough, then obviously there's no accountability. Essentially, this triangle, you can choose any two when it comes to a cleaning service. So we can do you a massive scope of works, and we can deliver it at high quality, but then obviously it's not going to be cheap. We can do you a cheap price, and we can do a great quality, but then you've only got a very limited scope of works, so things just won't get done. And then obviously we can do cheap, and we can do a huge scope of works, do everything that you want to do, but it won't be done well because people are just going to rush and they're going to have enough time to do the job. So I just wanted to explain that that's why there's a variation in the pricing table between the cheapest price and the higher price. I'm happy to discuss that with you because it also involves things like what sort of equipment we put on the site. I don't think mopping the floors there in the main service areas, the painted concrete floors, you really want a scrubbing machine there on site to keep them looking their best rather than mopping. But look, happy to discuss it in the meeting, but I did want to give you some prices to go into the meeting with, but hopefully they'll also take this video on board. I'll hope to talk to you soon.